For the rest of this evening, really mild stuff. I mean, staying in the 60s by 10 o'clock this evening with just a 20% chance of a shower, possibly a rumble of thunder. Not everyone is going to see the rain over the next couple of days. I'm favoring south and east of Kansas City for the heavier rain. I'll show you the totals in just a moment that I'm expecting. Overnight lows kind of look like afternoon highs. 50s to start Monday. And we'll be right back up into the 70s Monday afternoon, 72 degrees with a mostly cloudy sky and about a 10 to 20% chance of a shower or a thunderstorm at just about any one particular location. High temperatures tomorrow, 60s, 70s. Another warm, windy day. The fire danger will be high for tomorrow with cloud cover expected to hold overnight through the first part of Monday. You notice occasionally you'll see a few blobs of green here on future scan through Monday evening. Again, the coverage is not going to be that high of rain and storms until Tuesday. That's when the main storm system to the south begins to spread over Kansas and Missouri. We get lift, the cold front approaching from the west, and watch what happens by Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening. Now we're seeing the heavier rain and storms developing south of Kansas City and moving north for the Tuesday evening drive, and then more rain expected for Tuesday night. So beginning Monday through Tuesday and especially into Wednesday morning, here are the projected rainfall totals for Kansas City, about a ½ inch to an inch. Down near Lake of the Ozarks, Clinton and Sedalia, 1 to 2 inches. In South Missouri, 3 to 6 inches of rain. There will be flooding there in southern portions of the state. Rain and thunderstorm chance 60%. That's likely for Tuesday. And we'll still stay in the 60s through much of the work week, drying out just a bit on Thursday and Friday before the storm system kicks out, and then the chance of rain will return along with thunderstorm chances for next weekend.